convincing customers to implement regular lamp maintenance programs involves several key strategies. Firstly, quantify the energy savings. Use a light meter to measure the luminance levels of aging lamps. Documented evidence of low light output demonstrates the energy inefficiencies. Calculate the potential energy savings based on the estimated number of hours the lamps are in use and the reduced light output. Secondly, highlight the safety and liability risks. Explain that aging lamps are prone to explosions or premature failure, which can create safety hazards and property damage. Discuss the potential liability risks associated with neglecting lamp maintenance. Thirdly, emphasize the cost-saving benefits. Regular lamp maintenance can extend the life of fixtures, reducing replacement and maintenance costs. By replacing lamps before they fail, customers can avoid the inconvenience and expense of emergency repairs. Fourthly, offer a flexible maintenance plan. Design a customized maintenance plan that aligns with the customer's budget and needs. Offer options such as annual, semi-annual, or quarterly lamp replacement programs. Fifthly, provide education and resources. Educate customers about the importance of proper lamp maintenance, the significance of lamp life expectancy, and the risks of operating aging lamps. Provide access to online resources or training materials that explain the benefits and best practices. Sixthly, seek support from management. Engage with building or facility management to advocate for the importance of regular lamp maintenance. Explain the potential savings, risks, and cost-effectiveness of implementing a program. Seventhly, offer incentives. Consider offering discounts or incentives to customers who sign up for long-term maintenance agreements. Provide loyalty rewards or recognition for ongoing participation in the program. Eighthly, use visual aids. Create charts or graphs that demonstrate the decline in light output and energy consumption over time. Show pictures or videos of aging lamps that have failed prematurely to illustrate the potential consequences. Ninthly, address objections. Anticipate objections such as upfront costs or inconvenience. Explain the long-term savings, safety benefits, and reduce maintenance expenses to counter these concerns. Tenthly, monitor and evaluate. Establish a process to regularly monitor and evaluate the effectiveness of the maintenance program. Track energy savings, incident rates, and customer satisfaction to show positive results and justify continued participation. Light output from lamps decreases over time, resulting in reduced luminance levels. This can compromise safety and productivity. In addition, older lamps consume more energy to produce the same amount of light compared to newer lamps. This increased energy consumption can lead to higher electricity bills. Regular lamp maintenance ensures optimal light output, which enhances safety and productivity in the workplace. Replacing lamps before they fail reduces the risk of accidents and injuries caused by insufficient lighting. It also creates a more comfortable and efficient working environment. Implementing a lamp maintenance program can significantly reduce energy consumption and lower electricity costs. By replacing aging lamps with energy-efficient alternatives, businesses can save money on their energy bills and reduce their carbon footprint. Regular lamp maintenance can extend the lifespan of lighting fixtures by preventing damage caused by failing lamps. This reduces the need for costly repairs and replacements. In addition, proactive maintenance can identify and address potential issues before they escalate into major problems. Failing lamps can create safety hazards, such as explosions, electrical fires, and falling debris. Regular lamp maintenance helps to mitigate these risks by identifying and replacing faulty lamps before they cause harm. This protects employees, customers, and property from potential danger. Proper lamp maintenance enhances the appearance of the facility and creates a more professional image. Well-lit spaces are more inviting and visually appealing, which can improve employee morale and customer satisfaction. In addition, regular maintenance ensures that the lighting system is functioning properly and efficiently. Regular lamp maintenance helps businesses comply with safety regulations and lighting standards. This reduces the risk of fines, penalties, and legal liabilities associated with non-compliance. In addition, proper lighting can improve security and deter crime. When selling a lamp maintenance program, it's crucial to communicate the value proposition clearly and effectively. This includes quantifying the cost savings, highlighting the safety benefits, and addressing any concerns or objections that customers may have. Building a strong relationship with customers and providing excellent service are essential for establishing a successful lamp maintenance program. Consider a hypothetical scenario where a business operates a large warehouse with hundreds of metal halide lamps. Over time, the lamps begin to dim and flicker, reducing the overall light levels in the warehouse. This makes it difficult for employees to see clearly, increasing the risk of accidents and injuries. In addition, the aging lamps consume more energy, resulting in higher electricity bills. By implementing a regular lamp maintenance program, the business can replace the aging lamps with energy-efficient LED alternatives. This will improve the overall light levels in the warehouse, reduce energy consumption, and lower electricity costs. In addition, the new LED lamps will last much longer than the old metal halide lamps, reducing the need for frequent replacements. The lamp maintenance program can also include regular inspections to identify and address any potential issues before they escalate into major problems. This will help to prevent costly repairs and ensure that the lighting system is functioning properly and efficiently. The lamp maintenance program offers a comprehensive solution for improving lighting quality, reducing energy consumption, and enhancing safety. It provides a cost-effective way to maintain a safe and productive working environment. To further elaborate on quantifying energy savings, consider the following. An aging metal halide lamp may consume 400 watts, while a comparable LED replacement consumes only 150 watts. If the lamp is used for 12 hours per day, 365 days per year, the annual energy consumption of the metal halide lamp is 400 watts times 12 hours per day times 365 days per year equals 1752 kilowatt hours. The annual energy consumption of the LED replacement is 150 watts times 12 hours per day times 365 days per year equals 657 kilowatt hours. The annual energy savings is 1752 kilowatt hours minus 657 kilowatt hours equals 1095 kilowatt hours. If the cost of electricity is $0.15 per kilowatt hour, the annual cost savings is 1095 kilowatt hours times $0.15 per kilowatt hour equals $164.25 per lamp. If the business has 100 lamps, the total annual cost savings is $164.25 per lamp times 100 lamps equals $16,425. The energy savings calculations provide concrete evidence of the financial benefits of implementing a lamp maintenance program. This information can be used to convince customers to invest in the program. To further elaborate on safety and liability risks, consider the following. Aging lamps are more likely to explode or shatter, which can create a safety hazard for employees and customers. The debris from an exploded lamp can cause cuts, burns, and other injuries. In addition, the explosion can start a fire if flammable materials are nearby. If a customer is injured by an exploding lamp, the business may be held liable for damages. This can include medical expenses, lost wages, and pain and suffering. The potential liability risks associated with neglecting lamp maintenance can be significant. Regular lamp maintenance helps to mitigate these risks by identifying and replacing faulty lamps before they cause harm. To further elaborate on cost-saving benefits, consider the following. Regular lamp maintenance can extend the life of lighting fixtures by preventing damage caused by failing lamps. For example, a failing ballast can damage the lamp socket and wiring. Replacing the ballast and lamp before they fail can prevent this damage and extend the life of the fixture. In addition, regular lamp maintenance can identify and address potential issues before they escalate into major problems. For example, loose wiring can cause a fire. Tightening the wiring can prevent this fire and save the business from costly repairs. Regular lamp maintenance can also improve the efficiency of the lighting system. For example, dirty reflectors can reduce the amount of light that is reflected. Cleaning the reflectors can improve the amount of light that is reflected and reduce the need for additional lamps. To further elaborate on offering a flexible maintenance plan, consider the following. An annual lamp replacement program involves replacing all of the lamps in the facility once per year. This is the most comprehensive type of maintenance plan. A semi-annual lamp replacement program involves replacing all of the lamps in the facility twice per year. This is a good option for businesses that want to maintain a high level of lighting quality. A quarterly lamp replacement program involves replacing all of the lamps in the facility 4 times per year. This is the most frequent type of maintenance plan. A customized maintenance plan is tailored to the specific needs of the business. This type of plan may involve replacing lamps on a more frequent basis in certain areas of the facility or using different types of lamps in different areas. The best type of maintenance plan for a business depends on its budget, needs, and preferences. To further elaborate on providing education and resources, consider the following. Educate customers about the importance of using the correct type of lamp for the fixture. Using the wrong type of lamp can damage the fixture and reduce its lifespan. Educate customers about the importance of proper lamp disposal. Lamps contain mercury, which is a hazardous material. Improper lamp disposal can contaminate the environment. Provide customers with access to online resources that explain the benefits of regular lamp maintenance. These resources can include articles, videos, and case studies. Provide customers with access to training materials that explain how to properly maintain their lighting system. These materials can include manuals, checklists, and workshops. To further elaborate on seeking support from management, consider the following. Explain to management that a lamp maintenance program can improve employee morale. Well-lit spaces are more inviting and visually appealing, which can improve employee morale and productivity. Explain to management that a lamp maintenance program can improve customer satisfaction. Well-lit spaces are more welcoming and create a more positive impression on customers. Explain to management that a lamp maintenance program can improve the company's image. A well-maintained lighting system demonstrates that the company cares about its appearance and its commitment to safety. To further elaborate on offering incentives, consider the following. Offer discounts to customers who sign up for multi-year maintenance agreements. This encourages customers to commit to the program for a longer period of time. Provide loyalty rewards to customers who regularly participate in the program. This encourages customers to continue participating in the program. Offer recognition to customers who have achieved significant energy savings or safety improvements through the program. This showcases the success of the program and encourages other customers to participate. To further elaborate on using visual aids, consider the following. Create charts that show the decline in light output over time. This helps customers to understand the importance of replacing lamps before they fail. Create graphs that show the energy consumption of different types of lamps. This helps customers to compare the energy efficiency of different options. Show pictures of aging lamps that have failed prematurely. This illustrates the potential consequences of neglecting lamp maintenance. Show videos of accidents that have been caused by faulty lighting. This reinforces the importance of safety. To further elaborate on addressing objections, consider the following. Explain that the long-term savings from reduced energy consumption and maintenance costs will more than offset the upfront costs of the program. Explain that regular lamp maintenance can prevent costly repairs and replacements in the future. Explain that the safety benefits of the program are invaluable. Explain that the inconvenience of replacing lamps is minimal compared to the consequences of a lighting failure. To further elaborate on monitoring and evaluating, consider the following. Track energy savings by comparing energy consumption before and after the implementation of the program. Track incident rates by monitoring the number of accidents and injuries related to lighting. Track customer satisfaction by surveying customers about their experience with the program. Use the data collected to identify areas for improvement and to justify continued participation in the program. In conclusion, Convincing customers to implement regular lamp maintenance programs requires a multifaceted approach that addresses their concerns, highlights the benefits, and provides ongoing support. By quantifying energy savings, emphasizing safety and liability risks, offering flexible plans, and providing education and resources, businesses can successfully promote the value of lamp maintenance and establish long-term relationships with their customers.